one tough Marine. She's a liberal-minded reporter and mother of 3.
Hi.
They're not sure whether to make love or war.
Wasn't too bad.
So the kids will settle the score.
Hey, what you got there?
It's called Tank Commander.
That's an M60 tank. We got those at work.
Want to play with me?
Might be a little bit of an unfair advantage.
Gerald McRaney as Major Dad.
You're dead. I win.
Coming Mondays.
Get ready for CBS.
Not all Hollywood agents are like this.
You want him in your movie? You better make me an offer I'm not ashamed to take to him.
But Al Floss is.
How you doing, Al Floss?
And he can't wait to help young Teddy Z until something incredible happens.
That unbelievably stupid kid.
John Cryer is the famous Teddy Z. Premieres Monday, September 18th on CBS. Lindsay Wagner.
The queen of the jungle.
Her home is wild.
We live in a zoo, guys.
Really wild.
Look, Mom, I'm a monkey.
What does that make me?
Now, life in an animal house is not always easy.
Vacation is zoo like the rest of your animals. In case you haven't noticed, you are the only 24-hour man in this house.
But with the help of Tom Wopat,
how'd you get to be this way?
they'll fight to save their Peaceable Kingdom. Coming Wednesdays this fall on CBS. Thomas Bell isn't in the nation's capital just because it's the seat of power.
I'm here because I want to be here.
He genuinely believes that it is his duty to help the people.
I think I can do some good. I can make a difference.
And he's willing to take on the system to get the job done.
I'm not starting off by trading favors and worrying about being re-elected.
Meet your new representative in Washington.
I'm your congressman.
William Katt stars. Top of the Hill.